Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a beautiful, gorgeous day. My name is Lilian Tahmasian, for those of you that don't know me. Before I get into this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by hitting the bell notification as well. So today, I wasn't really planning on filming. It's actually quite late. I never ever film this late. But I was like, you know what? I've got to do this for Jaclyn. So a few hours ago, literally, this massive box dropped on my doorstep and I was like, if I know what I think it is, we are going to have some fun and party. Where's that quote from? So when you open the box, thank you Morphe, thank you Jaclyn, no, this is what you get. It's literally a safe, you guys. I believe Americans call it a vault. Oh my gosh, she looks like Priscilla in this picture. Oh my lord. Priscilla, Elvis's wife. Oh, I am so excited. So as you can see, I don't have any eyeshadow on. I just redid my foundation, a bit of bronzer, a bit of blush and highlight and a lippy. I didn't want to look naked. And I'm going to go ahead and do a first impressions and makeup look with this new palette. I don't know which one I'm going to use because I don't really know. I have to go see what I have in here. Oh, so you have to twist it. It's legit, you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, so there's 4 palettes here. And now I know what she's saying, because I do remember in a video she said each palette has like a shimmer of its own color. You guys, the packaging is beautiful. Oh my lord. This one is called the Ring the Alarm Shadow palette. And this is what it looks like. Oh, these are so beautiful. They're so contrasted, pigmented, if you will. I'm actually going to go ahead and do high resolution HD images with more detailed posts with all these palettes on my website liliantahmasian.com. I'm going to be linking that particular article below, so definitely go check that out and let me know what you think. And sign up to my website because I do giveaways every month. So sign up, subscribe to my website as well, please. So this is the Bling Boss palette. Ooh, oh my lord, look at this. Like, what the hell? I love this color. Look at that. I've never seen a color like that before. Like, that pigmented, that contrasted, that dark. One is called Armed and Gorgeous. They don't really have a smell. What? Look at that green. Like, why don't we rock these colors every day? You know what I'm saying? I feel like we should. Look at that beautiful pumpkin color. What is this called? Assess. I really like these names. Coin, Agent, Smooth Criminal. Okay. Hey Jaclyn, I see what you did there. But if they sell this vault, could you imagine? Like, I would be excited to buy this if I wasn't doing what I was doing. This one is called Dark Magic. Oh, this definitely does remind me of Jaclyn. You have your dark greens. You have your dark blue. Beautiful silver, copper color. And then this is like fully black. Like, that's such a beautiful black shade. I feel like I always play it safe, so I'm going to go ahead and not play it safe. And I'm going to go ahead and use Armed and Gorgeous. I don't know what look I'm going to create, but like, we're going to do it. I know Jaclyn has been going through some hardships, but I really hope she understands that the influence that she has, and everyone looks up to her so much, and I hope she carries strong. And you know, what she's going through must be so hard, but let's all send her positive vibes and happiness and love, and hopefully this is like the start of something fresh and new. And with this, it's like the perfect first chapter to start her new life with, right? I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these beauties for you. Oh my lord. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Agent and then stop. What? You guys, I feel like these are the softest. Look at that. Just swatch Smooth Cream. You don't understand what I'm saying. Like, when I am circling around the palette, it's like velvet. Do you know what I'm saying? It's like literally velvet, and I'm not even joking, okay? And I'm gonna swatch Coin. Ooh, even these like these metallics are so soft. Look at that Coin. Look at that Coin. Ready? Ooh. Oh no, hell no. I'm excited for this. So let's get into the makeup tutorial. Tutorial. Why am I so pumped and I'm having tea? Let's get into the video. Hello, welcome to my face in HD. I'm gonna go ahead and apply Access all over my lid. I hope I'm saying the names right. Now, I did apply concealer on top of my lids just to make sure they weren't dying of redness, because it was quite red this morning. I'm just gonna stick under. Ooh, like, look how pigmented this is. Lightly apply that below the crease. I have never in my entire life, and correct me if I'm wrong, seen a color like this and this pigmented as well. I'm not even joking. They're so creamy. You know, people say, oh, this is so creamy. This is so creamy, period. Might as well be if we can not tell her. I feel like I would walk out of the house like this. I'm not even done. obviously. I'm going to go ahead and apply this beautiful shade called Smooth Criminal in the inner corner and the outer corner, because I'm going to have this other beautiful shade in between. Oh my god, look how beautiful the packing goes. Like, it just, there's no fallout. Can you see? Like, nothing is coming out, I'm just saying. I'm going to leave the middle area as is, and I'm just going to pat it. We are going to fix everything, so don't worry. I'm going to slightly bring that above the crease. Do you know what I mean? Like, how easy was this to do? And I'm not even obviously done. I'm going to grab Smooth Criminal and just apply a tiny bit to the bottom area of the eye. I feel like this is such an easy look to achieve. You can do this in your sleep. Now, before I make the shade slightly darker, look how bigger my eye looks. Oh, okay. I'm going to go ahead and grab Coin. I'm not sure how it's going to, maybe it's going to work better with the fingers. Let's see how this works. I'm going to apply, oh, okay. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go with my finger. See, I feel like when you warm it up a tiny bit, it just sticks on a bit more. You know when you have like go-to looks, I would never be like, oh, yellow and like brown. Like, I would just don't think like that. But getting out of my comfort zone and just testing out certain products like makes me want to be like, oh, like I should try this more often, you know. I'm going to go ahead and use Prowl just for the crease area. I'm going to shade the crease tiny bit, darken this out. See, like, I just literally applied a tiny bit, and it goes like a long way, and it's so dark as well. That was so easy. Like, normally I would have fallout all around here. I would have to clean that up. I would have to clean up the crease, but I feel like I can just leave it like this, as weird as that sounds. And by the way, my eyebrows are microbladed. Last week I got them done, so they are still healing, and I can't put anything on them, just FYI. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same look with this eye. Recently I started to love applying liners in the middle opposed to the inner corner. I feel like that makes my eyes look bigger. Not bad. It's so hot. I'm going to go ahead and use the Ciate mascara, and this one is called Wonderland. I don't know, do you guys feel like I should go ahead and pop on lashes? I just feel like this is a look in itself. What do you think? Guys, you know what? I was planning on popping on some lashes. I even have them right here. I'm kind of feeling like I'm liking this look like this. You know why? Because I feel like a lot of people are going to go ahead and do like crazy dramatic looks. And I feel like this is for the ones that want to just have a pop, but not like a... This would be like the perfect everyday look with a like bam, like a twist. Why did I say bam, like brown? I hope you guys really liked it. I had so much fun creating it. This was like my first proper like unboxing, first impressions makeup look, and honestly, like everything to one side, I feel like this collection is going to have a lot of opinions, just like everything else in the beauty world, but at the same time I just feel like you can tell how much time and effort have been put into it. I truly loved the palette that I used, and I love the colors. I feel like they're quite unique colors, and the pigments of it all, as well as the feel and just like the colors, the shades, they're so soft and almost velvety. These launched June 22nd. That's like 10 days away. That's not even a long time away. So when you do get your hands on them, I want you guys to grab one or grab the bundle and try it, and let me know. Come back and comment on this video and let me know exactly what you think, because I feel like you guys are going to fall in love with it. I'm just saying. 40 shades, like actual 40 shades, are $49. What? Wait, am I reading right? If you want to get solo, each one individually is $15. You can buy it online, you can buy it in stores, you can use affiliate codes. I'm going to be linking all the information below, as well as on my website, liliantahmasian.com. Also, do not forget to enter your email on my website. That way you can get drawn in to win so many giveaways. I do so many giveaways a month, and you know what? I feel like I'm going to be giving away one of these palettes, because there is no possible way I'm going to hoard all of this if I can give it to you beauties. If you guys really like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, as always, comment below your thoughts on what you think I should do next. Any people that you would want me to collaborate with, let me know in the comments below, and let me know your thoughts on this makeup look, please. I love you guys so much. Keep smiling, enjoy every second of your life. Bye guys.